everyone, welcome to LTS. This session is specifically designed for students of grade 8 to 10 and above. We'll be going through a GK and current affair related quiz with simple and clear explanation. We hope you will find this session interesting, informative and helpful. Let's get started. Which is the largest island in the world? The right answer is C. Greenland. Greenland is located in the North Atlantic Ocean, primarily in the northern and western hemisphere. It is situated northeast of Canada and west of Iceland, making it the world's largest island. If we see the list of largest islands, Greenland is the number one, then New Guinea, then Borneo, Madagascar, Baffin Island, Sumatra, Anso, Victoria Island, Great Britain, and so on. Which instrument measures the wind speed? Right option is D. Anemometer. The primary instrument for measuring wind speed is an anemometer. Anemometers come in various forms, but they all work by measuring the speed at which air moves, often by rotating cups or blades. The rate of rotation is then converted into a wind speed measurement. Which of the following gas is commonly used in fire extinguisher? It is carbon dioxide. The gas commonly used in fire extinguisher is carbon dioxide, CO2, and it is effective because it displaces oxygen, which is essential for a fire to burn. It also cools the fire, further aiding in extinguishment. The other material also used for fire as a fire extinguisher, like water, dry powder, etc. What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? It is A. 212 degree Fahrenheit. The boiling point of water is 202 degree Fahrenheit, or it is equivalent to 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. This means in most places this is the temperature of boiled water. So 100 degrees centigrade is equal to 202 degree Fahrenheit, and it is the temperature at which water boils. Who is the present Chief Election Commissioner of India as of 2025? And right option here is B. Gyanesh Kumar. Gyanesh Kumar retired Indian IAS officer, Indian Administrative Service officer, belonging to the Kerala cadre, serving as 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India from 19th February 2025 onwards. Which Indian city is known as the Manchester of India? And right option here is A. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, referred to known as Manchester of India, because favorable location were responsible for the development of textile industry in Ahmedabad, and it is situated in the heart of a cotton growing area, and it ensures the easy availability of raw materials. Which Indians is known as Missile Women of India? Out of all the options, C is the correct one, Dr. Tessie Thomas. Dr. Teshi Thomas is known as the Missile Woman of India. She is an Indian scientist and former project director for Agni 4 missile project at DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. She was also the first women scientist to lead a missile project in India. Which major infrastructure project was inaugurated by PM Modi in Jammu and Kashmir recently in June 2025? And the right option here is Chenab Bridge. Chenab Rail Bridge is a railway bridge over Chenab River in Reasi district of the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It's a steel and concrete bridge spanning 1,315 meters, and its deck height is 359 meters from the river bed, and it is the highest rail bridge and arch bridge in the world. Where was the NATO Summit 2025 held? It is the Netherlands. Recently, from 24th to 25th June 2025, the Netherlands hosted the NATO Summit. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. At the World Forum in The Hague, Netherlands, NATO allies agreed on a historic decision to invest 5% of GDP in defense, replacing the earlier 2% benchmark. Who won the 2025 ICC World Test Championship final? And correct answer here is B. South Africa. The 2025 ICC World Test Championship final was a Test cricket match played at Lord's, London from 11 to 14 June to determine the winner of 2023-25 ICC World Test Championship. It was played between Australia and South Africa. South Africa won by 5 wickets to win the third edition of ICC World Test Championship. What's the national aquatic animal of India? And it is C. Ganges River dolphin. The national aquatic animal of India is the Ganges River dolphin, and Indian government officially declared it the national aquatic as a national aquatic animal in 2009, according to World Wildlife Fund. This dolphin is a key indicator of the health of the entire Ganges River ecosystem, according to World Wildlife Fund. In which temple Ambubasi Mela is celebrated annually? And here correct option is B. Kamakhya Temple. It's located in Guwahati, Assam. The Ambubasi Mela is an annual Hindu festival held at the Kamakhya Temple in Guwahati, Assam during monsoon valley from June 22 to 26. What is India's position of peaceful countries in the Global Peace Index (GPI 2025) developed by Institute of Economics and Peace (IEP)? And India's position is D 115. In the Global Peace Index (GPI 2025), India is ranked 115th out of 163 countries. It represents a slight improvement compared to 2024 ranking of 116th. What's the capital of China? And right option here is B. Beijing. When is World Environment Day celebrated annually? It is C. 5th Zone. Led by United Nations Environment Programme UNEP and held annually on 5th June since 1973. World Environment Day is the largest global platform for environmental public outreach and is celebrated by millions of people across the world. This year the theme was Ending Plastic Pollution. Who is the author of the book A Tale of Two Cities? The correct answer is B. Charles Dickens. Tale of Two Cities is a novel by Charles Dickens set in London and Paris before and during the French Revolution. With over 200 million copies sold, it ranked among the most famous works in the history of literary fiction. He was a 19th century British author and editor who wrote novels, short stories, comics, and novellas. What's the full form of abbreviation GPS? The correct one is D. Global Positioning System. GPS means Global Positioning System. It is a satellite-based navigation system that provides location and time information to GPS receiver on Earth. What's the full form of abbreviation BBC? It is British Broadcasting Corporation. British Broadcasting Corporation. It is the UK's national public service broadcaster, and it operates television and radio station and provides online contents. Who is called father of English poetry? A. Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer was an English poet, author, and civil servant best known for Canterbury Tales. He has been called the father of English literature or father of English poetry. What's the first satellite launched by India? This C. Aryabhat. Aryabhat was India's first satellite named after the astronomer. It was launched on 19th April 1975 from Kapustin Air, a Soviet rocket launch and development site of Astrakhan Oblast using a Cosmos 3M launch vehicle. Which was the first country to launch the satellite into space? And the correct option here is B. Russia. It was called USSR at that time. The first country to launch satellite into space was Russia, the Soviet Union. They successfully launched Sputnik 1 on October 4, 1957. Who were the first to reach Mount Everest? It is C. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, Tibetan mountaineer, were the first people to reach summit of Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, and they have reached it on May 29, 1953. Who is the current Chief Minister of Delhi? It is B. Rekha Gupta. Rekha Gupta is an Indian politician who is serving as the Chief Minister of Delhi since February 2025. She is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). She has been serving as MLA from Shalimar Bagh since 2025. What's the currency of France? And right option here is B. Euro. What's the total number of classical dances in India? And correct option here is D. 8. There are 8 classical dances from Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Odissi, and Satriya. Thank you. Let's bring to an end of this session. Hope you have liked this session. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to L3S for more fun and helpful learning videos. Thank you.